Dealing with deer in the landscape is hard, and finding the right options for those conditions can be even harder, especially for those who don't know as much about plants. That's why we created the Deer Proof program. We've handpicked each shrub based on top university ratings for deer resistance, along with insights from our own trials and home gardens. Shrubs in the Deer Proof program come with specially branded tags and containers, making it easy for both sales staff and shoppers to spot them in the garden center. With a wide range of sizes, shapes, and colors, plus options for different hardiness zones, heat tolerance, and light needs, there's a Deer Proof variety for every taste and space. With over 40 cultivars in the collection, there's a deer-proof shrub for nearly every landscape need. So when your customers are looking for a way to keep deer at bay, offer them a low-maintenance solution that lasts, backed by a trusted brand. Recommend proven winner shrubs in the easy-to-spot deer-proof containers.